Hello everyone, I am Professor Sudarshan. In this session, we go with a concept called as Management Information System, that is MIS. In this concept, we will be learning about Introduction to Management Information System and Decision Making. Okay, let us begin with the concept called as Introduction to MIS, that is Management Information System. The definition of MIS is it is a system used to transform data into useful information as needed to support managerial decision making with structured decisions which are based on predictable patterns of the activity. This means that for supporting decisions of the company or organization, the management has collect the various data and change that data into information for a particular project or a activity which is currently doing in the company or the organization. Basically, MIS is a set of rules or protocols that has to be followed by the company for its growth. While seeing the definition of management information system, I hope some of the queries may arise. Those are: what is decision making, what is information, what is system, what is management, so on. We'll go those one by one. First one, what is decision making? According to Latin, the word decide means come to a conclusion. Decision making is the process of selecting an option from set of options. Every decision making process produces a final choice that may or may not prompt action. Decision can be an action or an opinion about something to the change the state, progress ahead, provide solution to a problem or fulfill a need. That means basically it is a Latin word which means some coming to conclusion. So decision making is a choosing better option among the set of options. That decision should be fulfill the need of the organization. So here is the example of decision making. Here the person is thinking that he wanted to go to one of the destination, but he is having so many routes to go for that. He should decide that in what direction if he goes, he will reach the destination very early. In the same way, the company or the organization, they have to decide or they have to take a decision for betterment of their company, that is investing less and getting more profit. The other thing is management. The definition of management is it is defined as the art of getting work done through people. In terms of MIS management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling the efforts of the members of the organization to achieve common defined goals of the organization. It means that after collecting the data by the company, it has to make a proper planning according to what data they have collected. They can collect the data from different sections and organize them for making one proper data. And company has to control over the data for no data loss. And they have to reach particular goal of the organization. So here is the example of management. Here in this image, the person of the company taking responsibility of the management process, that is time management, cost management, inventory management, service management, data management, ratio management, so on. Here the next thing is information. The term information can be defined as processed data. Data is raw material which has no meaning, but when it is processed, give relevant meaning. That is information. Information constitutes as an important part of decision making. Without proper information, decision cannot be taken. This means that basically information is a set of data. taking data from different sections or different departments, and we have to combine that data for making information, and it also helps to make a decision. Without proper information we cannot make the decision. So here is the example of information. In the first image we have a cream, second image we have a sugar, third image we have a milk, and the fourth image we have a atta. We have to combine all these data and we have to form information like one chocolate. So the last thing is system. System can be defined as a group of independent but interrelated elements operating together to achieve a predefined objective. System on whole is a very large and cannot be studied or designed in a one go, so it is broken into a smaller units called subsystems. Business is also one of the systems where economic resources such as people, money, material, machines are used by the organization in an effective manner to convert raw material into finished goods. That means in a particular organization or a company, for making one project we have so many departments or so many sections like analyzing department, planning department, coding department, testing department, validation department, advertising department, so on. So those are like a subsystems of the company. The subsystems are help us to make a effective project in a lesser time. That is the advantage of the system. So here is an example of a system, that is operating system. The operating system consists of different elements like monitor, keyboard and mouse, printer, hard drive, and applications. The other examples of the system are school management system, library management system, event management system, inventory management system, so on. Thank you everyone. In the next session we'll go with the characteristics of MIS and the components of the MIS. Thank you.